I think most of you know, yung DUCKY brand ay isang Taiwanese brand. Kilala sila sa pagiging top or leading sa paggawa ng mga high-class na keyboards. Binili ko tong DUCKY ONE 2 Mini as an upgrade sa aking previous keyboard, which is the Red Dragon K552. Since gusto ko lang naman ng 60% na mechanical keyboard with ranges of switches like red, blue, brown, and so on. So let's see what this DUCKY ONE 2 Mini has to offer. Hi guys, this is Jessica, your Tech Talk girl, and welcome back ulit sa aking channel. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So ito na po ang DUCKY ONE 2 Mini. Pinili ko yung red switch kasi mas tahimik siya and mas okay siya for gamers. Yung old keyboard ko, yung Red Dragon, blue switch siya. Okay din naman yun, pero medyo maingay nga lang pag nagtatype. Trivia lang, to those who don't know kung ano ang different sizes ng keyboard, dito yung mga pictures. There are many reasons kung bakit 60% ang keyboard na napili ko. But the main reason is yung size. Kasi mas compact siya. Tapos hindi rin siya masyadong makain ng space sa table. Kasi alam natin, yung table natin minsan is limited lang yung space. But since it's 60%, as explained earlier, ang meaning is there are no arrow keys, wala rin function keys, only yung mga essential keys, which is for me okay lang. Since mostly ang ginagawa ko sa computer is gaming at pag-edit ng aking YouTube videos. For gamers na katulad ko, hindi siya issue. Since most of the full-size keyboard are just unnecessary and seldom lang sila ginagamit. Para sa mga gumagamit ng arrow keys, I would suggest you get the 80% or 10 keyless keyboard. Like my Red Dragon K552. As explained earlier, kaya ko rin kinuha yung 60% dahil it gives me more space sa aking desk para sa mouse movement. At saka, ayun nga, minsan limited lang yung space natin sa table. So, unbox na natin si DUCKY ONE 2 Mini. Inside the box, you'll see the keyboard itself. Tapos, meron rin itong card showing where to download the user guide. Pag inopen nyo yan, may makikita kayong extra keycaps. Meron rin siyang wire keycap puller. Ito yung tutulong sa pagtanggal ng mga keycaps, just in case you want to swap keycaps. Tapos, meron din siyang USB Type-C cable. Maganda yung keycaps niya. Meron din mga legend na nakaprint sa harap. Here are the extra keycaps included sa box. Itong mga keycaps, random siya in both color and design. Ranging from purple, blue, red, yellow, and green. Pero itong sa akin, nakuha ko is white on blue. Medyo weird na meron siyang arrow keys. Pero naisipan ko naman siya ng place kung saan siya paglalagyan. Sa WASD. And finally, the beautiful Year of the Rat spacebar. So itong mga design is randomly placed inside the box. So itong keyboard, meron siyang unique na aesthetic. Usually, you have a one-piece enclosure. But with this DUCKY ONE 2 Mini, two contrasting design siya. Yung case is made entirely of plastic. So, itong top part niya, may mafe-feel kayong texture. Tapos, color black siya. So, sa ilalim naman, white tapos glossy yung finish niya. I personally like it because it has more edge and character. So yung plastic and yung backplate are thick enough na hindi nyo kayang i-flex ang keyboard. Ang dimension ng keyboard is 302 by 108 by 40 mm. Tapos ang weight niya is 590 grams. So sa top part, makikita nyo yung USB Type-C cable. Unlike sa ibang keyboards, meron pa rin siyang wire. Itong side naman, makikita nyo yung logo ni DUCKY at yung kanyang model. Yung size na is mga 1/4 nung size ng keyboard. Para sa akin, wala namang issue tong logo niya. Hindi naman siya masyadong nakikita. So sa bottom, may makikita kayong rubber strips. So it prevents the keyboard from sliding sa table. Ang okay pa dito sa DUCKY ONE 2 Mini is meron siyang 2 feet. So itong 2 feet na to, para siya sa inclination. Which is seldom nang nakikita sa mga 60% keyboards. Which is okay kasi it shows yung flexibility ni DUCKY ONE 2 Mini. So sa ilalim, makikita niyo rin yung dip switch, which change some minor things. Meron siyang 4 na dip switch sa back ng DUCKY that helps you customize your board. So you can change the location ng Windows key, ng function key, caps lock, and etc. For more details, you can check the user manual. So pag-usapan naman natin itong mga keycaps. These keycaps are 1.1 mm and is made from PBT plastic. Tapos, laser engraved rin sila. In front, you will see some prints of what you will be accessing because this is only a 60% keyboard, so yung ibang functions wala dyan. Underneath the caps are cherry red switches. It has different cherry MX variants like red, blue, black, brown, silent red, and speed silver. You will also see the RGB is embedded right above the actual switch. So ito na ang pinakahihintay nyo. Let's do a sound test with these cherry red switches. Sobrang satisfying mag-type sa keyboard na to. Hindi siya maingay. It sounds great. Next, papakita ko naman yung lighting and effects ng RGB. Kung ano yung capability ng keyboard na to. Pero take note, medyo complicated siya, so kailangan nyo yung user manual niya. Pag sinaksak na siya, makikita nyo yung default color niya, which is the rainbow wave effect. So, pag gusto nyo palitan, press nyo lang yung Function, Alt, and letter T. Next, you will have the color cycle mode, which goes through the colors ng spectrum. Next naman is yung raindrop mode. Next is ripple. When you press a key, it will send a ripple effect. Next is random reactive mode. Yung pang 6th mode is the reactive mode. You can change what color you want it to be, same with the breathing mode. Yung pang 8th mode is yung 100% backlit. Pang 9th is the radar mode. You can change what color you want. Another weird thing na napansin ko sa keyboard na to is meron siyang built-in games. Like actual games on the keyboard itself. Meron siyang Ducky Gamble, which is not really a game, para siyang heads or tails. When you press the spacebar, it will slowly come to a stop. Yung next na game naman is Ducky's Minesweeper, which is a minesweeper on your keyboard. For me, cool siya at interesting na naisip ni Ducky Channel na lagyan pa ng games sa kanyang keyboard. Feel ko may magte-try naman ng games, kasi why not? Yung mga silent switch like the red switch, Really a great choice, especially pag tulog na yung asawa nyo or yung mga kasama nyo sa room. Lalo na pag nag-Zoom meeting tayo or nag-conference call sa house kasi lahat naman tayo mostly nag-work from home. So pag ginamit yung blue switch, medyo maingay siya. There are a lot of things that this DUCKY ONE 2 Mini can do. You can check the manual for more details. Kasi merong ibang stuff na hindi ko na-cover. Kasi medyo marami talaga siya. Kailangan nyo talaga basahin yung manual kasi wala siyang software katulad ng ibang keyboards. Lahat ito is on board. So pag-usapan natin kung ano ang tingin kong negative sa keyboard na to. First is yung sa RGB lighting. Medyo complicated siyang gawin. So kailangan nyo talaga basahin yung user manual niya. Next, para sa price niya, hindi siya Bluetooth enabled. Another negative sa kanya is yung sa USB Type-C port niya. Minsan naglo-loose siya. So, kailangan nyo ikabit ng maayos. Another negative is wala siyang software. Kaya kailangan nyo talaga basahin yung user manual. Kasi convenient talaga pag may software. Katulad ng Razer mouse ko, meron siyang Razer Synapse. Ang positive naman sa kanya is yung design niya. Slick and modern ang look niya. Kasi mostly sa mga keyboards, isa lang yung color niya. Pero sa kanya, dual tone. Sa taas, yung color black na texture. Tapos sa baba, yung white na glossy. Next na positive naman, marami siyang range ng switches. Meron siyang red, blue, brown, purple, etc. Pwede ka pumili ng maraming switches on your own preference. Another positive sa kanya, meron siyang 2 levels or inclinations to choose from. So may choice kayong pumili kung saan kayo comfortable. Maganda ang naging overall experience ko with this DUCKY ONE 2 Mini. I would recommend this product. Hope you guys learned something from my YouTube video. This is Jessica, your Tech Talk girl, and see you again on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!